How to add adult to Experian Family Plan. Follow the instructions. Sign into your Experian account on the official website. Go to your account dashboard after logging in. Look for the section related to the family plan or family members. Click on the option to manage or add family members. Choose the option to add an adult to your plan. Enter the adult's name and email address as requested. Submit the information to send an invitation to the adult. The invited adult receives an email with a link from Experian. The adult clicks the link to start the enrollment process. They create or log into their own Experian account. They verify their identity by providing personal details. Once they accept the invitation, they are added to your plan. Thank you for watching.